Hi, my name is Alaska.
I'm Alaska.
You are Alaska. I don't know who I am right now. Anyway, welcome back. And today we are doing a makeup look with Bottle Blonde from Trixie Cosmetics. And as you guys can see, we love it. Look at these. Look at these colors, you guys. So stay tuned to check out how we got this. How did we get here? Let's just do a Bottle Blonde inspired look. I haven't touched this palette and I just got it the other day. It's phenomenal. I've like swatched it a little bit like on my hand. What's your favorite?
Peroxide's fun. But there's more to life than peroxide.
Is there?
Yeah, I got bangs. Blowout.
Blowout.
What are the rest of them? Who do we think we are?
Somebody. That's a loaded question. I think I'm, hi. I think I'm a lot of people. Are you doing your eyes right now?
I don't know. I usually do my eyes first because then when I do my eyeshadow, it spills onto my foundation and then
Fallout Boy.
That. Yeah.
What am I looking for?
Another loaded question. Ow, what's in my eye?
Another loaded question.
Different kind of loaded question. Do my face first? I'm scared now.
Face first.
Walk into a room face first.
Hey guys.
Are you guys in here? ASMR.
Asmar. Sucks to your Asmar. Do you remember that shit?
Small.
Why did you say it in a British accent?
Because that's what the movie was in high school.
They were British?
I think the guy said it with that, yes. I could be misremembering.
We went to the same high school. What are you remembering?
We were in different English classes.
My bad.
I was in Old English. Ye Old English one. I hate you. Quick question, how do I contour my face?
I feel like you're going so much faster than me. And it's
I have primer on.
Me with a full face of foundation. Why are you going faster than me?
Why do I feel like I just wiped it off my face?
Maybe you did.
Why do I feel like the right side blended better than the left side?
It probably did.
I don't know why I did that contour on my forehead. I just saw it on the internet, so that's how I decided to do things. And I don't
No,
really
it looks
understand.
great.
Okay, stuff. You don't want to put.
You don't want to put
Someone
product
would.
under
Yeah.
where you're gonna put the. You want to have like the skin bare.
I don't know if I contoured my nose correctly. This looks a little strange. I feel like I made myself look like Squidward.
I'm Squidward.
No, I'm Squidward.
I am very, as you know, I've been always like even before I got really into drag, I've always been really influenced by drag makeup. So like I like cut my cheek like here
With the concealer?
Yeah. Okay. Contour and then like I cut
Right
it
there?
with concealer like right under. Yeah.
Okay.
Like right under where you would contour.
It has a smell.
What does it smell like? Makeup perfume?
Yeah. It reminds me of like stage makeup in middle school. Is that a weird like specific smell?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You're right. Yeah.
This is me figuring out how to contour. Am I doing a good job?
Yeah.
More.
do that.
Yeah.
There. See how it's like
Oops.
it's like
Actually, I'm having more like Mr. Tumnus vibes right now.
Mr. Thomas.
Short answer, no.
Did you literally mean short answer, you villain? Oh yeah, Edmund was a
Edmund.
He was ready to sell his family out for some
Turkish delight. I'm gonna watch you do this because. Oh, that's the whole baking sensation.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I'm doing this right. No,
Yeah.
we just blend it out.
Yeah.
Wow, my nose does look different.
Yeah.
I love. See, here's the thing. I love my cheekbones. And that's
Yes.
just me
Get into it.
humble bragging.
Yeah.
It's almost here.
Am I gonna get a call?
I don't know.
Is it going to interrupt the filming?
Probably.
Wow. There's no rules.
There's some rules.
Like what? Think of a rule right
Think
now.
of a rule right now.
Gun to your head right
Pen
now.
dance.
This is too much.
Was it good though? Did you like it?
Oh, you're filming now? Yeah, no, but it's fine now.
You were right. This is
Yeah.
too much. I'm always skeptical about putting pink around my eyes because it's like, oh, I'm
Because it's like,
tired.
yeah, or like, pink eye.
I keep like hiccup burping. It's really attractive.
Well, I don't hear you and I don't smell you.
Great. Put that on my resume. If you hire me, you will never hear me or smell me. I just finished my eyes.
We're gonna go put on wigs.
It goes higher.
Does it?
It
has to.
It might not.
I wish it would. Who is she? Who is she? I would just like to know.
Hello.
Hello.
What?
Hello.
Hi.
We have to be on the same plane.
I don't fly right now. There's COVID.
Woo!